Okay, today we are going to be looking at the system referred to as a crank and slider system. In this system, it's going to be a little bit different than our others. In our other systems, we've had everything moving in a circular motion. Okay, in this system, it is going to be something where we can see we're moving in this bottom image. We've got it moving in a circle, but our output is moving left and right in a straight line. So that matches up with our second bullet point. It changes our rotary or circular motion into linear or a straight line motion. Because of this, it is not a reversible system. If you see in the image all the way to the left, here is an actual image of the VEX system. It utilizes this green kind of shell-shaped gear. This shell-shaped gear is called a CAM, C-A-M, which you see at the top here. And it is our only location to get our system started. It is the only place for our input. So we have the CAM, which we interchange, and sometimes we'll call it the crank. But this specific green gear piece is called the CAM. But we will refer to that end as our crank, and our slider is the piece sliding back and forth. A real world example of where you would see this is on a train. You can see the wheels are serving as our CAM or our crank piece, and you can see the motion sliding back and forth, and there's our slider. So a train would be a real world example of where this is at. And again, why it's not reversible, we wouldn't want to hang on to our slider piece and pull it back and forth. We do want to have some type of shaft where we can put a crank and again move that by hand. This would not be a valid input for this system. Okay. When you're building this system, the biggest thing you want to take note of is it's a lot of things being spaced out perfectly. We have to make sure that our long plate that attaches to both our CAM and to our slider are spaced out, because as this spins it around, we need it to be able to pass, and we need everything lined up perfectly parallel to each other for this system to be able to slide nice and smoothly back and forth.